Are you tired of being single? Do you want to find the perfect girl to be your girlfriend? Look no further, I'm here to tell you exactly how to get a girlfriend in just 7 simple steps. Welcome to Snap Reads, and today I want to help all of you guys out there who are stuck in the friend zone with that special girl you like. I know firsthand how frustrating it can be when you feel like she's slipping away, and it doesn't look like it's ever going to happen for you, but I'm here to tell you it can. In this video, I'll show you how easy it can be to finally get that girl. Understanding the importance of finding the right partner. Finding the right partner is essential for a happy and fulfilling life. A compatible partner can support and uplift you through life's ups and downs, while an incompatible partner can drain your energy and hinder your personal growth. Understanding the importance of finding the right partner is the first step towards building a successful relationship. To find the right partner, it's crucial to know what you're looking for. Take some time to reflect on your values, interests, and long-term goals. What qualities are important to you in a partner? Are you seeking someone who shares your passions, or someone who complements your strengths and weaknesses? Identifying your ideal partner will help you focus your search and increase your chances of finding the right match. Once you understand the importance of finding the right partner and have a clear idea of what you're looking for, it's time to embark on a journey of self-reflection and personal growth. Only by truly knowing yourself can you attract the kind of person who aligns with your values and goals. Self-reflection will also help you identify any patterns or behaviors that may be hindering your ability to form meaningful connections. Identifying your ideal partner. Self-reflection is an essential step in the process of finding the girl of your dreams. It involves taking an honest look at yourself and your past relationships to gain a deeper understanding of who you are and what you want in a partner. By examining your strengths, weaknesses, and patterns of behavior, you can identify areas for personal growth and make positive changes. Start by asking yourself some fundamental questions. What are your passions and interests? What are your core values? What do you bring to a relationship? What are your deal breakers? Reflecting on these questions will help you gain clarity and develop a strong sense of self. As you engage in self-reflection, it's important to be open and honest with yourself. Recognize your strengths and celebrate them, but also acknowledge your weaknesses and areas for improvement. Remember, personal growth is a lifelong journey, and self-reflection is a powerful tool for self-improvement. Self-reflection and personal growth. Confidence and self-esteem are attractive qualities that can greatly enhance your chances of finding the girl of your dreams. When you believe in yourself and project self-assurance, others are naturally drawn to you. Developing confidence and self-esteem takes time and practice, but it's a worthwhile investment in yourself and your future relationships. One way to boost your confidence is by setting and achieving small goals. Start by identifying areas where you feel insecure or lacking confidence, and then take incremental steps towards improvement. Celebrate each small victory along the way and use it as fuel to propel yourself forward. Another effective way to develop confidence is to challenge negative self-talk and replace it with positive affirmations. Pay attention to the thoughts and beliefs you have about yourself, and consciously reframe them in a more positive and empowering way. Remember, confidence is a mindset, and with practice, you can cultivate it. Developing confidence and self-esteem. Effective communication is the foundation of any successful relationship. It's not just about talking, but also about listening and understanding. To connect with the girl of your dreams, you need to be able to express yourself clearly and compassionately, while also being receptive to her thoughts and feelings. One key aspect of effective communication is active listening. This means giving your full attention to the other person, maintaining eye contact, and responding thoughtfully. Avoid interrupting or formulating your response while the other person is still speaking. Instead, focus on understanding their perspective and validating their feelings. In addition to active listening, effective communication also involves expressing yourself authentically and assertively. Be honest about your thoughts and feelings, but also be respectful and considerate. Use I statements to express your emotions and avoid blaming or criticizing the other person. Remember, open and honest communication is the key to resolving conflicts and deepening your connection. Effective communication skills. Building a strong social network can significantly increase your chances of finding the girl of your dreams. Your social circle can provide opportunities to meet new people, expand your horizons, and gain valuable insights into the dating world. Additionally, Having a supportive network of friends can boost your overall happiness and well-being. Start by nurturing your existing friendships and investing time and energy into building new ones. Join social groups or clubs that align with your interests and values. Attend events and gatherings where you can meet like-minded individuals. Remember, the more connections you have, the greater your chances of finding someone special. Building a strong social network. Online dating and dating apps have revolutionized the way we meet potential partners. They offer a convenient and accessible platform to connect with people from all walks of life. However, navigating the world of online dating can be overwhelming and daunting. Here are some tips to make the most of your online dating experience. First and foremost, be honest and authentic in your online dating profile. Highlight your strengths and interests, but also be transparent about your intentions and what you're looking for in a relationship. Use high-quality photos that accurately represent you. Remember, honesty is crucial for building trust and attracting the right match. Next, be proactive and take the initiative to reach out to people who catch your interest. Craft personalized messages that show genuine interest and make you stand out from the crowd. Avoid generic or overly flirtatious messages that may come across as insincere. Remember, online dating is about making a meaningful connection, not just collecting matches. Online dating and dating apps. Approaching and initiating conversations can be nerve-wracking, especially if you're naturally shy or introverted. However, with practice and a positive mindset, you can overcome your fears and make a lasting impression. Here are some strategies to help you approach and initiate conversations with confidence. First, focus on your body language and maintain eye contact, and smile. This will signal to the other person that you're approachable and friendly. Additionally, pay attention to the other person's body language. If they seem open and receptive, it's a good indication that they're open to conversation. When approaching someone, start with a genuine compliment or a friendly opener. This can help break the ice and create a positive atmosphere. Be respectful and considerate, and avoid using cheesy pickup lines or making inappropriate comments. Remember, the goal is to establish a genuine connection, not just to impress or win someone over. Approaching and initiating conversations. Finding the girl of your dreams is just the beginning. The real work begins when you enter into a relationship and start building a life together. Nurturing a successful relationship requires effort, commitment, and a willingness to grow together. Here are some tips to help you navigate the journey of love. First, prioritize open and honest communication. Regularly check in with your partner and discuss your thoughts, feelings, and goals. Be receptive to feedback and willing to address any issues that arise. Remember, a healthy relationship is built on trust, respect, and effective communication. Additionally, make time for each other and prioritize quality time together. Plan dates, engage in shared activities, and create rituals that strengthen your bond. Show appreciation for each other's efforts and celebrate your milestones along the way. Remember, love is a journey, and the small moments of connection and joy are what make it worthwhile. Nurturing a successful relationship. When it comes to approaching and initiating conversations, confidence is key. Before you even approach a woman, it's important to work on building your self-confidence. This can be done through various means such as setting goals, improving your appearance, and developing a positive mindset. By believing in yourself, you'll exude an attractive energy that will make you more appealing to women. Once you've built your confidence, it's time to master the art of conversation. Start by approaching women with a genuine interest in getting to know them. Ask open-ended questions that encourage them to share more about themselves. Show active listening skills by maintaining eye contact and nodding in agreement. Remember, the goal is to establish a connection based on mutual interests and shared values. Another essential aspect of initiating conversations is understanding and interpreting body language. Pay attention to both verbal and non-verbal cues to gauge interest and receptiveness. And maintaining eye contact indicate that she is engaged in the conversation. On the other hand, crossed arms, a lack of eye contact, or fidgeting may indicate disinterest. By practicing these techniques and being genuinely interested in the person you're talking to, you'll be well on your way to unlocking the secrets of the heart and creating meaningful connections. Embracing the journey of finding love. Now that you've successfully approached and initiated conversations, it's time to nurture a successful relationship. Building a strong foundation and maintaining open communication are key factors in creating a lasting partnership. One of the most important aspects of nurturing a relationship is understanding. and respecting each other's boundaries. It's crucial to establish clear boundaries from the beginning and to communicate openly about what is acceptable and what is not. This will help build trust and create a safe space for both partners to express themselves. In addition to boundaries, effective communication is vital for a successful relationship. Practice active listening and express your thoughts and feelings in a respectful and non-judgmental manner. Avoid making assumptions and give your partner the opportunity to share their perspective. By fostering open and honest communication, you'll strengthen your emotional connection and deepen your bond. Another important aspect of nurturing a relationship is investing quality time together. Make an effort to plan activities that you both enjoy and create shared experiences. This could be anything from going on hikes or cooking together to exploring new hobbies. By spending quality time together, you'll create lasting memories and strengthen your emotional connection. Remember, relationships require effort and commitment from both partners. It's important to support each other's goals and dreams, and to be there for one another during both the highs and lows. By nurturing your relationship with love, respect, and understanding, you'll create a strong and lasting partnership.